everybody, welcome to Interlaken, and it's springtime in Switzerland. You can see some amazing beautiful flowers, and yes, you can see my shadow while I'm walking and shooting this video. I am near the very famous fountain, which became more famous thanks to Bollywood, where the Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol shot a scene where Shah Rukh is playing a prank on Kajol, and I'm right in front of that mountain. Along with the fountain, you can see this beautiful Interlaken view, and I'm just going to take a circle to show you around how it looks and the beautiful view that I have. So this building that you see, a tower, that's Hotel Victoria Jungfrau. If you are in Interlaken, you can stay here if you have a lot of money. If you prefer to have a budget hotel, then you can stay just outside Interlaken, but it's like a walking distance, like 3 blocks away. So you can stay here and you can walk around these beautiful mountains and enjoy the beautiful scenery. At current, it's sunset time, so you can see sun setting down behind Victoria Jungfrau. You also have this amazing light on some church, which is there in Interlaken. I think I can help you see. Let's have a look. So if you see, just right behind this tree, far away, you can see a church. That's a Gothic medieval town church. I have been there inside, and it's really, really beautiful. If you are in Switzerland and if you're in Interlaken, I definitely recommend you to visit there. And since it's springtime, I think Switzerland becomes even more beautiful with all these flowers blooming around. I see that there is a tree with pink flowers which are not yet in their full bloom, but you can see like these buds, so it's going to look even more beautiful when they are in their full bloom. And I specifically like this fountain because you see the fountain is creating ripples in the water, which is reflecting the light, which looks so beautiful. I think I can continue to spend my entire day just staring at the fountain and staring at these beautiful mountains which are still covered with snow, although the snow has started to melt down. And right over there you have a view of Jungfrau. So I'm pointing my camera towards a snow-covered mountain, and the one right in front is the Jungfrau. That's also called top of Europe. You can take a cable car to go right up until there. So that's about for my quick view from my camera for Interlaken, and see you guys soon. Have a nice day.